Why, hello, and yes, it's me, the Tin Man, from the movie The Wizard of Oz. I was asked to come on here and tell you that you need to pay attention to this video, because you will learn from it. Now, I've learned a lot of things. I learned that I can be rusty and old, but I also learned that you need to listen to your teacher. Do that, if you would, please. Thank you.
You are presently looking at Lesson A, Converting Capacity, Liquid. Now you've probably clicked on this button, and in doing so you're currently listening to the video, and this is a QR code which will provide you with the answers. You'll notice that what we have here, we have a scale, and below the scale we have some questions. Now what we'd like for you to do is to answer all 10 of them by looking up here. For example, the first one says 8 quarts equals how many gallons? Well, if 1 gallon equals 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts, how many are in 8? That should be pretty simple. The answer should be 2. Because there's 2 quarts, so there's twice as, or 2 gallons, so there's twice as many quarts. Now, if you would please, pause the video, complete the rest of the lesson, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Well, welcome back. Let's look at question number 2. Now, if we have 16 quarts, how many gallons is that? Well, look carefully. If 4 quarts equals 1 gallon, right, and you have 16 of those, you should have 4 gallons. 4 pints equals how many quarts? If 2 pints equal 1 quart, and you have 4 of them, you should have 2 quarts. 2 gallons equal how many quarts? If 1 gallon is 4, 2 of those would be equal to 8. If 2 quarts equal how many pints? Well, 1 quart equals 2 pints, so if you have 2 of those, how many pints would you have? 4. 3 quarts equal how many pints? Well, if 2 equals 4, 3 must be equal to 6. 1 gallon equals how many pints? Whoa. Okay, now if 1 quart is 2, and you have 4 of those, right? What is 2 times 4? 8. 20 quarts equals how many gallons? Whoa. If 4 of them equal 1 gallon, 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 gallons. 4 quarts equal how many pints? Well, we already answered part of it up here. If 2 equal 1 quart, how many quarts or how many pints are in 4? 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 gallons equal how many pints? Wow, here's a gallon, right? If 1 gallon equals 4 quarts and 1 quart equals 2 pints, that means we have 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And we double that, so we must end up with 16. Hopefully your answers matched ours. We'd like to thank you for watching our video.
Look at what's happened to me. I can't believe it myself.